Josh, Stel, Ken, and Justin, SB19!
Marina, make some noise! Before we continue our performances, we'd like to introduce ourselves. Get in the zone!
Break!
Magandang gabi po, ako po si Pablo.
Magandang gabi po, ako si Josh. Mo Arena, I'm Stel.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Ken.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Justin, and we are
SB19! Hey, Sir Fam, kamusta naman kayo? Solid ba? Parang wala na silang energy, still wala na ata sila energy.
What is up, Mo Arena? Mo Arena, make some noise! Mo Arena, did you miss us? Oh, really? Did you miss us? We miss you guys too.
Grabe. What a very warm welcome for us, guys. Kakagaling lang namin ng tour and grabe yung sorpresa niyo para sa amin. We're very happy na makapag-perform ulit dito sa Pilipinas. Uy,
Ba't ka naging?
Pilipinas. Hindi, ayun. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah.
18! 18! Na-miss niyo ba kami? To be honest, sobrang na-miss namin kayo. We've been in the US for 1 month. And we are really looking forward to, para makapag-perform ulit in front of you guys. And we are very happy na ganito yung energy ninyong lahat. Kaya maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na pinapadama nyo sa amin. From before up until now, 18, maraming salamat. We love you guys, for sure.
Yes. Nag-enjoy ba, Mo Arena? Siyempre, bago po ang lahat, gusto lang namin magpasalamat sa bawat isa sa inyo na nandito ngayon. Napakagaganda at gagwapo niyo pong lahat. Thank you for coming here tonight. And we are so glad to share the stage, syempre, with other amazing artists. Kaya naman, maraming salamat din po, especially kay Ninang Acer, and for having this evening showcase, to showcase Filipino talents that always strive to break the limits.
Siyempre po, maraming salamat kay Ninang Acer. Kung wala si Ninang Acer, wala ang Acer Day. Okay ba yun? Busog na busog lahat ng tao ngayon. Siyempre, gusto ko lang pasalamatan din yung team namin. One's Entertainment, you, kay Coach Jay, and siyempre W34.
And of course, maraming salamat din sa aming banda. Guys, palakpakan naman namin aming banda. Migs for playback, Joko on guitars, Paul on drums, Romel on bass, and for keyboards at ang aming musical director, nag-iisang Direk Jem Florendo. Thank you so much po.
And of course, ulitin ko po, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat ng 18 na nandito ngayon. Hope you enjoyed the performance today. And again, gusto ko rin pasalamatan ng Acer. Maraming salamat po, Acer fam.
Get in the zone, we got the Kings of P-Pop, SB19! I missed you guys! I missed you! Grabe. Sabi, nakasuit daw ako Grabe. And I kid you not, Acer Day won't be complete without SB19.
And without you.
I missed you so much.
Namiss ka rin namin, Kuya.
Grabe. Well, we are not yet done because SB19, the Kings of P-Pop, will have more performances. later on. I love that energy. Remember that tonight is all about breaking limits, so keep your energy high and enjoy every second of Acer Day 2025. We got more groups and more of your favorite Acer brand ambassadors coming your way. And yes, much more awaited surprises. Kaya naman, tawagin na natin ang mga best personalities and icons on the stage. Let's have Brent, Mika, Shumi, Ralph, Will, Charlie, Esnir together with G22. Of course, we got SB19 and Miss Sara Geronimo. This is one moment you should not miss. If I were you, get your phones and use our official hashtags, ladies and gentlemen. It's for Acer Day 2025. Again, don't forget to use our hashtags Acer Break a Limit, Acer Day 2025. Let the world see what it's like to break a limit with Acer. And just when you thought we have seen it all, Acer is about to surprise us with something that proves how far Filipino talent can go when we break a limit. Acer fam, are you ready for more collaborations? Who's gonna be the next ones to break their limits? Let's take a look. Here we go.